Welcome back to the Florida CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Killer. Today's August 10th, Wednesday, day after the FOMC meeting. Wow, folks, we really saw some volatility hit these markets after Big Ben, Uncle Benny, my guy, he came to the markets, and initially we saw that market sell off. And what an unbelievable, ferocious grab for these treasuries. I've talked about this insatiable thirst to exhaustion, but I have been right. But I've been talking about it for a long time, and we really saw him came in and grabbed it. In the event you did not know Ben Bernanke was speaking, did not know the FOMC was out today, or that yesterday, you would have seen that tape and you would realize that maybe people are running into the bomb shelter. Maybe it was Armageddon, because they came and grabbed nearly 40 basis points off that 10-year. All-time low, 2.03. Another record all-time low in the 2-year. You know, and there was a little precursor earlier about that in that 3-year auction we saw yesterday. There's a big appetite for that, so maybe somebody knew that Uncle Benny was going to come out and put that duration out there longer. But that was the key component, folks. He basically stated that rates were going to be at zero until mid-2013. I think initially, the kind of, the acknowledgement of this potential recession and weaker growth that brought the market down, but then we really saw this market go up and away. I think it had more to do, honestly, with the technical bounce than actually the Ben Bernanke statement, folks. You know, 2 out of the last 3 trading days prior to yesterday, we had 2 down days of 500 puntos. We talked about that 500 puntos. So I think we saw a nice technical bounce off that 1101 in the S&P. But right now we are seeing the market come down again after yesterday's big move. So we're seeing extreme volatility, extreme volume. You have to be careful in these markets. You know, I've been tweeting a little bit, but everyone's pretty busy trading right now and trying to stay out of trouble, because literally in this chop fest, this lumberjack situation, you really need to be the axe, not the wood, folks. Hope you caught that one. But no, seriously, the rest of the week, I think we're seeking continued volatility. You got to play these extremes. Look at this S&P 1135 level. I think it's been a great pivot, the killer pivot, but I really want to see this 10-year, currently about 2.14%. Let's see if they test under this 2%. I think that was the move yesterday. Not only did they come and grab that 10-year, but they also caught some people short. The street's been short. No one thought this was going to 2.5%, except for me and my buddy Hacky Zenke. So have a great day, and from the Florida CME Group, please try to be the hammer, not the nail.
I'll tell you something. Bacon is good for me.